It's another beautiful day in the week, and we are here to make everything okay. A beautiful day in the week, and we are here to make everything okay. A beautiful day. Yeah.
Sad.
That's the way they sang the song.
Sad.
That's the way they sang the song.
Sad.
But the remix is a beautiful day in the week. We are here to make everything okay. A beautiful day in the week. We are here to make everything okay. Ah, Surulere, Surulayemi, Surulere, Surulayemi.
So we fall out from. Una welcome to Party Show today. Thank
Love.
you.
Love.
Thursday average. Thursday average. Tomorrow is a Friday.
You know why I just be happy?
No
because
wonder
it's
you
just
get
a few hours.
unnecessary ginger upon you. Hey.
Oh, well, so for all of you now where they watch Paddy Show, honestly, thank you so much. We love you so much. We appreciate you very much. Very soon we shall have a presenter and the viewers jamming. You understand? We shall all sit down and hang out together. But for now, still they watch us. No worry yourself. No problem. Still they watch us.
That day will come. That day will come. No worry. All of us sit down, meet and greet.
We meet and greet, you understand?
Meet and greet.
Come out and greet your people.
Yes,
yeah.
You know, we say we'll greet now, we'll greet us, we'll get to know now one-on-one and every, but no, don't worry. That day will come. The day will come. Mayowa,
yeah.
Let's say we'll go for a break now.
No.
I come and get a low tempo this morning.
But why?
No, because sometimes the way you just come.
Why
no be
are you
that day.
low, my darling? Why are you low, darling?
Tell me that one. You know, even if you sing encouraging song.
Your low is making me low.
No.
I need you high up for me to be high, darling.
Your love is beautiful. That's
okay,
how
now that
I
type you want.
sing.
That type you want.
Speechless.
Bossy bangwa kajo. Bossy
You
bangwa
are too
kajo.
rare sometimes. Sometimes no. See this thing, Mayowa. One day if you just go crazy, we all come work. They shout. If you just go crazy one day, sometimes we just carry tempo, come down, no. Oh, yeah.
Come into my heart.
Okay, we'll go on break now. As they come into your heart,
You
we'll go on break now. By the time we come back from this break, we enter the main thing. Uncle.
No.
Hey, wala.
Don't do that.
Why we do slow motion? They do slow motion. See, they do slow motion. Okay.
Hey.
It's like come and fight my last fight.
Yan the yan. Shebi, una know, like a lollipop. Like a lollipop. Shawty wanna cry. I was in the club. Shawty wanna cry. You know I like to touch your lovely lady long. Shawty wanna cry. I was in the club. Shawty wanna cry. You know I like to touch. I love it like a lollipop. Lil Wayne. That guy. Police have entered inside his house. Now, police raided rapper Lil Wayne's Miami Beach mansion on Tuesday with warranty because apparently, he get issue with one jet company where he's supposed to pay them $2 million. Now in court, can say, oh yeah, go in house, take property worth, and you know say he get painting worth over $30 million.
For your house. Then.
Yes. So police can't go with person where they quantify properties.
The valuables and properties.
All these people where they quantify valuables. So then go with one of them, raid the house, carry $2 million.
Naira worth of?
No, $2 million.
Dollars in Naira.
$2 million worth of properties, so that they go pay back that something. At the time when they go the mansion, nobody there.
Most of them, they just collect mansion. They don't stay the house.
Yeah.
They all collect and move. Collect and move, collect and move. So maybe one of those days,
yes,
you know, this particular mansion. But yeah, a big boy, $2 million payment. Maybe to a job like 10K. So you just ignore and say, well, no, every time I'm around, I just pay you guys.
You know, say money fee no be the problem, but now the valuable where they carry now if you pay now.
And you go pay that now, so you go pay the money.
Because now for inside artwork they've been carry valuables worth that amount.
If you do pay now, I gotta go pay your money. We don't want to know. You the hustle your hustle, we the hustle our hustle. You don't come and pay us. We come and seize your things. Finish. Thank you very much. Everybody rest.
Moving on.
Ebano. Some days ago, one heavy fire happened inside Ebano supermarket. You say one day for Chevron side, and another one day for
2 days ago or so.
Yeah, about 2 days ago.
About 2-3 days ago.
Yeah. The other one still there for inside Lekki Phase 1. I believe that the one with inside Lekki Phase 1 itself, now be the catch fire some days back. And I trust now, Agbero they did. Quand they show face, police gone gas to, you know, take care of the whole environment.
So they go pack everything.
Before they go move everything. But thank God say the fire no pass as it be. They can't handle the whole thing. Last firefighters enter, they can't take care of things. All right, so that are the gist. I don't know to be gist like that. You get, but with the thank God. Shop owners, market owners, I mean, just make sure say you keep firefighting tools, equipment, and everything around your store. Even for houses too, make sure say you keep one firefighting things then around the house.
Yes.
If na shutters, no, sorry. If na what do you call it? Extinguisher.
Now,
put on somewhere, just in case.
Now I still want to add something content to waiting my sweeting talk. The truth be say, people where they get all these kind of big malls, them I beg make you try to make proper arrangement for fire exit.
Exactly. That was
for fire exit.
Exactly.
Proper arrangement for fire exit, because
just
anything can happen. We don't pray for bad thing, but well, just in case, so you know go get casualty for inside your property. Chipu and
very,
church.
very, very important information. Now be that one, okay? All right, so we're machine break.
Yes.
Abi?
Yes.
Then we'll go on the break.
Yes.
We'll come back from the break. We'll continue with every concern and the yarn. All right, so don't go anywhere. We'll still come back right about now. You go love. You go love. You go love.
Not be you the find charm. You're teaching.
I had to make the beginning happen just now. He come saying that the
Not even to come up for there.
He never even stroke come out at all. Yeah, come and fall for it.
All right, back to the second half of Yarn the Yarn. Now, this particular gist happened for inside India. Namaste. Namaste.
That namaste na Indian language.
Yes, namaste. Na greeting.
Na greeting.
Like peace be unto you kind of thing.
Yeah.
Namaste. Now, for inside India, you get this particular goddess of good triumphing over evil that they call the goddess Durga. Now, during the normal worship of Durga, then they do celebrating for Durga. One particular 28-year-old Indian man, father of two, now he carried knife. For the celebration of the Durga, carry knife, cut in tongue. As he cut in tongue, now he faint for dear. That faint away, now he bleed to death. Now, people for carry and go hospital. They don't agree. They come, they dance around them. They dance, they sing, they pray. They say, Durga go breathe life.
Durga be that devil be name.
No, Durga the name of the god. Then they dance, say Durga go breathe life into the guy. Durga go wake him up. Yes, now Hindu goddess now, her name na Durga. That's it.
Okay. Tribute to Durga.
You understand? Hindu goddess say Durga go breathe life during the celebration. Now they come ask the papa say, okay, now they pray 4 o'clock or so the guy die. They come ask papa say, why no carry and go hospital? You say, well, that means say as Durga no give am life, he don't give am space for the feet for in holy feet.
It's a religious thing.
It's a religious thing.
So we cannot come and talk anyhow.
Yeah.
So everybody and their religion, we maintain our own. They say, don't fast before that thing
Don't
happen.
fast before it happens. So as it just cuts in tongue, like it bled to death.
It just bleed till it pie for them. Anyway, may so rest in peace.
Amen.
All right, this particular one about landlord and tenant issue. This one are heavy big things inside Lagos here. Even for any different part of Nigeria, said now always issue this particular one. Courts don't even choke mouth inside this whole thing. Tell me landlord, they say maybe they behave themselves.
Yeah.
Maybe they behave. Now, 51 years old trader and mother of 3, Sarah Bakari, where they live for Oluwole Street for inside Ejigbo area for Lagos State. She narrowly escaped death from her landlady and her 5 sons. Wetin happen? She said she just enter the house, pay money, 250,000 naira for the house there. Oh yeah, now, she say first and foremost, she could just dey bath sometimes. One of the landlady, Pekin, could just enter inside near her where her bedroom, they peep am. They look at where she dey bath. Say this thing they continue. She got carry go reports give the mama. Say, come, your Pekin always come peep me when I dey bath. Instead, make the mama correct am. Mama come dey shout for her head. Say, you no go let all my children rest
in peace for their papa house.
For their papa house. Make their mind calm down for their papa house. And now wetin happen? Okay, that one no end there. E no still take again. She just notice anytime when she dey bath, they go just go off the water where she take the bath. The one wey dey source the thing to inside her own bedroom. She go gas to come out from inside with soap for her body. Come outside, come dey complain. Say, wetin dey happen now? Now they off my water. No do. She come gas, say okay, make she go get reservoir for her own water. Make she go dey fit manage her own by her own self. Now she go erect reservoir for her own self. Now they call am, oh yeah, come, pay 10,000 for damages. If she carry give them, no problem. No, nothing. They go see go dey off the reservoir where she now don't think they arrange her own self. She just come back from church one day. Don't notice say they don't put stick for some kind of place where the water they pass.
So the water don't block.
So the water to call block. So I no go fit go. Now she can't go neighbors. So go call different landlord for the area. Someone that comes help me see what's in they happen. As landlord they enter the house, like when they see the whole thing, now the children they burst out again. Say what's in be all this one? Say I beg, make all this landlord they come out for their compound. The mama said, "Come even walk come out." Say waiting consign them. Now they come out say, "Come, madam, if you don't make this woman stay this house again,
give her me money.
Go give her back part of her money. Make it they go. Make we not say you don't want me she stay again.
Yeah.
Now like they say you no consign her. Say she go manage like that till that particular rent expire before she go come out. Now the man say waiting. Before you know waiting, no. One day she just dey house. The same complaints can't start again. Now the children from nowhere, one knock her back for head. Boom! Now she fall. They come they beat her. Before one or two people come out, come save her from the whole. They say if not, they beat her to death. But this particular gist,
this is wrong.
Very, very wrong. Very wrong. I wonder which people, the people that will take care of this particular kind of issues there, because you don't get any rights as even house owner. As a house owner to block your tenant of the rights that we get. Because even though na your house, yes, but the tenant get some rights. He pay money now, not be free now.
I be not be free.
Now don't to go enter inside your house. He pay money, not be free. But anyway, the whole gist, police they handle her now, and they will believe say last the woman is supposed to come out triumphantly. But I hope so. Because some landladies there when they get out to.
I hope
when
so.
When they don't go to arrange some kind of lockdown there before you know it, they will see bands woman come out for the house which they pay money for. I beg, do the right thing, I beg. Even though you be landlord, you be landlady, God no put you for that place to come to intimidate people.
Yes.
Now because na elevation to make at least you will help people with the house where you don't build. And I see business, they pay money, they don't enter free. So they get rights. So but beating pass we can enter. Oh no. Anyway, make I not carry my annoyance go enter the whole thing, but a wrong thing. I beg, let's do the thing. Let's go do the right things, I beg.
Now wow. All right. Now so it be today on Top Gist matter for Yandy Yan. We will just give you something to enlighten your mood.
Yes.
AKA laugh the laugh. Let's go there. Yeah. Una know well. This is what I do to me, so una know well.
You are being a professional.
No. What's see, it because I be one of them.
No, it's wrong.
I know.
It's a wrong move, the wrong time, doing the right thing at the wrong time, in the wrong place.
I'm sorry.
Good. Finish. You have solved everything. No need to explain this. You have solved everything. So I'm sorry. It's okay.
Sorry. Yes.
It's good.
Yes. So in this I'm sorry mood, follow us for Twitter at Wazobia Paddy. Follow me on Instagram at Mayowa Lambe and Manega at Ogbolo. On top Twitter anchor at Mayowa Lambe and at Funny Ogbolo. Follow the station at Wazobia TV NG. If you want to watch all the episodes or plus Paddy or plus late night show, all you fit see them for inside youtube.com/Wazobia TV. So you could just pick any of the ones, any of the shows within there. But if you specific about Paddy, youtube.com/Wazobia Paddy. And we will be there right in your face.
I might say, y'all, get better day. God bless everybody. Be loving to everybody when they're around you. And you self, and love your own self. God bless you. Get better day.
Adios, salabiscus. Whatever that means.
We love you. If you don't just enjoy the video they want to just watch, make sure sharply subscribe to our channel. No, darling.